Started with the bushfires, really, guys. And that really impacted us. Even though we're not in the bushfire zone, a lot of my customers in the Albury-Wodonga region, in the greater region of that around us, the southern arena and northern Victoria, were in bushfire mode. So the bushfire really affected us, and then COVID hit. Boy, did it hit, and for a startup business, it's any small business, but especially small startup businesses, we weren't really ready for COVID. Probably about early April to mid-April, me and my wife were sitting down and we were trying to work out what we were going to make for dinner. Now, we got 2 young kids and we did not know what to make because we had nothing in the cupboards. So we had no way of getting anything, no money, everything was maxed out. It was probably the lowest point I've been probably in my entire life. Gabriel, she was a customer. I didn't know her. She put a thing on an order in. I sent an email back saying to Gabs, look, for various reasons, if you want to cancel the order, or we can refund, or we can wait, because at the moment we just cannot supply this stuff to her. And then a couple of weeks later, I'm not sure if she emailed me or rang me up, and then she goes, I want to start this GoFundMe for me, or for the business. And I went to myself, why would anybody want to help me? She was touched by what we'd been through and everything else. And from there, I actually was able to reset a fair bit mentally. Reaching out to fellow businesses in your area, might be your clients, might be just the support you need, like Gabs was for us. It's an amazing amount of resources out there for people. Sometimes you just got to ask or say something and people will assist.